Right, welcome everybody to PE class. Today we're going to play the Meteor Game. This might be a game that you've played a couple times in the past. Um, Basically, this is how it goes. Everyone will start on their black line in the back, okay? Next, you will run up to this line, okay? Right here, this line of balls. You're going to run up to the line of balls, and then you're going to throw those small balls at the big one, okay? This is called the Meteor Game because we sort of imagine that these large balls, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 large balls here. We imagine that those are meteors, and you got to push that meteor to the other team's wall. That's right. You got to knock that meteor into the other team's back wall, or on this side of the gym, you knock it into that team's wall. Okay? If you get that ball to roll fast enough and bam, it hits the wall, then your team scores a point. Now, let's go over some of the rules as you're trying to get that ball to roll. You're going to be playing this. It's going to be a little bit frustrating, and you're going to want to run right up to that ball and go. All right? If you kick it, you're going to have to sit out of the rest of that 3-minute round. That's right. Each of these games is 3 minutes. Score as much as you can and set it back up. Please help. Know that your teacher will grade you based on how you are helping set this game back up. Because we grade here on teamwork. That's a PE standard. So be part of the team. Please don't have to have your name written down and just help out with the reset of the game. Now, you cannot kick it. All right? Where the means of how you move it is you have to pick up one of these balls and hit it, and then roll it and hit it again and it should roll into the other team's wall. I'm going to demonstrate that in 1 second. Okay? As you're throwing this, make sure you stay behind. See that white line? You're allowed to cross half court and go to the other team's white line, so you can get a little bit closer to that wall. Otherwise, it's just kind of far away. So also, the rule that everyone loves or you hate it. If this meteor is a giant flaming rock from outer space, what's going to happen if you touch that rock? It's on fire. Well, in this class, you get burnt, all right? If anyone's ever played Minecraft before, it's just like Minecraft. You go up there, and if you catch on fire, you got to like kind of step out and heal for a second. So if you touch one of these big balls on accident, then you go to a wall, you touch that wall, and you heal for 30 seconds. Just count to 30 seconds. Teachers, if you're watching them and that kid's been over there for a while, keep an eye on them. Just say, hey, you, come on, you're back in. Okay? We don't want them to be out too long. So let me go ahead and demonstrate how to do this. Remember, class, what happens if you touch the ball on purpose? Yeah, that's right. You're out for the rest of that 3-minute round. Score as many points as you can. All right, I'm going to start on the black line, and I'll just let you see how it's done. I'm going to scoot you back right here. All right, let's see if I can do this. I'm going to knock the ball all the way to where you are, okay? All right, so I'm going to start on my black line on the other side of the gym, okay? Ready? Three, two, one, go! Stay behind that line. There you go. That's it. Make sure you stay behind that line. Don't sneak that foot over. And you all have fun and be good for your substitute teacher today. See ya.